Hi, Joe Glavin with City Floor Supply. Today we're going to talk about something that seems pretty simple and mundane, but it's canvas bags for all of the equipment that we use. And we'll start off with the traditional edger bag, which has been around for decades, and it is just a tie-on. Any of the edgers that are out there that still have a bag hook, which I haven't seen very many of, that is your traditional edger bag. They do recommend not to wash them. You close off the pores, you reduce the airflow, particularly if you dry them. So you could wash them, but don't dry them, just leave them air dry. So that's a traditional edger bag with canvas bottom, drawstring, and a cable, a hook to keep it off the ground. Same style, traditional edger bag, but this one has a vinyl bottom. The concept of the vinyl bottom, pretty simple. It is to help save the canvas from wearing out, wearing holes in it. You know, anybody that's run an edger knows that eventually these are going to wear out. You know, they're just a wear item, almost a consumable. So, but again, traditional edger bag with a vinyl bottom, drawstring, and of course a loop to put on your holder. So this has a cuff on it. This will allow you to just, you know, throw it over the unit quickly, and if you have been adapted for different kind of dust collection systems, this will definitely fit over those cuffs, particularly aftermarket cuffs that are going to remain on the edger, but you need an area where you're just going in and using a bag and using the vacuum system on the edger. Another feature, drawstring. This does not have the loop to hold it up with the holder, but it does have the zipper to make emptying it easier. Because as you know, emptying the bag out of that little hole, particularly when these units have cuffs on them, is just not fun. So same style edger bag, but we've got cuffs and we have a zipper. Onto the sander bag. So this would be what we normally refer to as the big machine. And for a big machine sander bag, you know, this is as traditional as it gets, right? So drawstring and a bag. Again, you're going to empty these at about half full, and pretty standard, pretty simple. So on from the traditional sander bag, we have our wide mouth sander bag. So why the development of the wide mouth? Well, anybody that's emptied a sander bag with all that, you know, 24 grit sander dust in it, it's pretty hard to empty. So most of the machines now come with ties that you can use. This has drawstring tie on it, but if you were to use some of those ratcheted ties that come, I know some of the Galaxy machines come that way for sure. There are certain ties that come with the Logler and the American sanders. So this sander bag obviously has the cuffs, and it has a bottom zipper to empty. Size-wise is more comparable to the traditional sander bag. Obviously with the cuff, you're going to need that zipper because you're not going to get very much dust out of there. It also has a tie if your sander or large machine does not have a factory supplied bag tie. We have our gym floor style sander bag. Much more volume, so much longer, much wider. Also with the bottom zipper for emptying Anyone that is a gym floor mechanic knows that you have ram horns, or essentially double spouts on each sander, so that would be 4 bags on a tandem, and emptying 4 bags through that and trying to keep yourself a little bit dustless is almost impossible. So if you need any more information or just need some extra sander bags, feel free to go to cityfloorsupply.com. Give us a call at 800-737-1786, and we can give you all the information you need on any of the bags for edgers and sanders.